To begin, we introduced the Pure H2O countertop filtration system. We have optimized the ease of installation by including parts and accessories needed to complete the project. In real time, without any issues, the system can be installed in 5 minutes. Included in the package is the countertop filtration system. Dual cartridges are included, a couple of adapters, an adapter tool, and a diverter assembly. Step 1 is going to be to remove the aerator from your existing faucet. Step number 2 is to attach the diverter hose assembly straight to the tip of the faucet, or by using adapters included. In this case, we'll use an adapter and the tool provided. This is an 11/16 adapter. There is a black washer here. It comes apart. Make sure that's in place to prevent leaking, and thread onto the tip of your faucet. Using the plastic tool provided in the package, we're going to tighten the adapter. Hand tighten the diverter assembly to the adapter. Now we're going to turn on the water, activate the diverter, and determine which hose goes into the A side of the filter system. Now that we've determined which hose water came out of, we're going to plug that one into the A side of the filter system. The next step is to insert the B tube into the B side of the filter housing. You can pull on the hoses to ensure a secure fit. Now that we've installed the countertop filtration system, we're going to purge the filters. Turn on the cold water supply and activate the diverter assembly. Water may not come out in a full stream to begin with because the filter cartridges need to be saturated. Once a full stream comes out of the filter system, you can enjoy the drinking water. Because of excess sediment levels in Taiwan's water supply, we've included a sediment pre-filter into the diverter assembly. The cartridge inside turns yellow or brown when it gets dirty, and you can see it through this clear housing. To change the cartridge, simply twist off the top, remove the old cartridge, insert a new cartridge, and attach the top. The drinking replacement cartridges last for 500 gallons or 6 months, whichever comes first. An indicator that the cartridges may need to be replaced is a drop in water pressure or flow coming from the diverter assembly. Once that point comes, you can change out the cartridges easily. Remove the hoses from the bottom of the filter assembly. There's a John Guest fitting or gray pressure fitting here that you must compress to remove the hoses. Simply remove the screw caps once you've taken out the diverter assembly, following the direction of the arrow. We'll start with the A side first. The B side. You can see there's water in the housing. We'll go ahead and empty that out and remove the B cartridge and the cap. Now that you've got the B cartridge removed and the A cartridge is still in the housing, we're going to remove this cover. Simply squeeze the sides and pull from the base. Holding the B cylinder, the empty cylinder, we're going to turn this unit over and hit it on the palm of our hand. Make sure not to lose the O-rings underneath the screw caps. Now we're going to go through the process of replacing the cartridges. First step is to insert the O-rings back underneath the threaded portion of the filter housing. There's a groove here. Once you put the O-ring in place, take your fingertip and rub it over the top to make sure that it's secure. Repeat those steps on the B side. Now we're going to take the A cartridge, which is the white one, and put the nipple side down in first. Push with your thumb to make sure that that O-ring compresses in the hole to make sure it's a secure fit. The cartridge will not come out. You can take the A screw cap, this one, and twist it opposite the direction of the arrow to loosen. Once you feel it come into contact with that O-ring, a quarter turn is as far as you need to go. The B side, the nipple is actually going to be pointed upwards towards the screw cap. The complete circle underneath the screw cap allows it to compress and go opposite the direction of the arrow. A quarter turn after you feel compression is all you need to do.